Hello students, we are discussing the chapter number 4, that is planning. Uh, in this chapter, some of the portion we have already discussed previously in online class, and in the previous video we have discussed meaning of planning, features of planning, importance of planning, and limitations of planning. Now the remaining part we have to discuss in this video, that is types of plan. So these types of plans are very important, and these are very small contents from where the objective type questions can be asked in the examination. The first is objective. First plan is objective. So students, objectives are the endpoints which are numerically expressed that the management seeks to achieve within a given time period. That is, for example, increasing the sale by 10% in next quarter, etc. These may be the objectives. Objectives are objectives specify what the organization wants to achieve. Objectives need to be expressed in specific terms. They should be measurable in quantitative terms. Objectives are usually set up by the top level management and serve as guide for overall planning. So we can say that objectives means the endpoints which should be expressed numerically, and the management wants to achieve those endpoints, that is called objective. Second one we are going to discuss, that is strategy. Strategy is a comprehensive plan for accomplishing an organizational objectives, taking business environment into consideration. Means in other words, if you want to counter the competition in the market, we make the strategy. So some of the points of strategy we can discuss here. It is a comprehensive plan which include three dimensions: long-term objectives, adopting a particular course of action, allocating resources necessary to achieve the objective. Strategy is a part of strategic planning of a regional plan prepared by top level management. It provides a broad contours of an organization's business and refers to the future decision defining the organizational direction and scope in the long run. So strategy means a comprehensive plan for accomplishing an organizational objective, taking business environment into consideration. Third is policy. Policy. Policy is nothing but a general guidelines that guides the managers towards a particular direction. It brings uniformity in decision making and action for interpreting of strategy. So once again, I'm defining the policy. Policy is a strategic guideline that guides the managers in to a particular direction. It brings uniformity in decision making and action for interpreting of strategy. For example, the admission policy of an educational institution, recruitment policy, pricing policy, or purchase policy of a company within which objectives are set up and decisions are made. So policy guides the manager in a particular situation, what is to be done and what is not to be done. Next is fourth one, procedure. Procedure. Procedure means a process of doing a particular work. Procedure consists of sequence of routine steps performed in a chronological order to carry out activities. It details the exact manner in which any work is to be performed. So, in simple words, we can say that procedure means a sequence of steps in a chronological order to complete a particular task. Next is method. Method. Method is a prescribed way in which a task is to be performed. So, method deals with the task comprising of one step of procedure. Selection of right method saves time, money, and effort and increases the efficiency. Next point is rule. A rule is a specific statement that specifies clearly what is to be done and what is not to be done. It guides to behavior. It guides to behavior, and policy guides the managers in a particular situation. Next is budget. Budget. Budget is a statement of future expenditures expressed in numerical terms. Means when anticipated future expenses can be expressed in numerical terms in a plan, that is called budget. A budget is a plan which quantifies future facts and figures. A budget is a statement of expenses, revenue, and income for a specified period. Since budget represents all items in numbers, it becomes easier to compare actual figures with the expressed figure and take corrective actions. So, budget is the estimation of future expenditures expressed in numerical terms. Next is last one, that is program. Program. Program are detailed statement about a project which outlines the objective, policies, procedures, rules, tasks, human and physical resources, and the budget to implement any course of action. So, a program may consist of identifying steps, procedure required for opening a new department to deal with other minor work. A program will include the entire gamut of activities as well as the organization's policy and how it will contribute to the overall business plan. So, program is a wider plan which includes all other things in itself like strategy, policy, procedure, method, rules, budget, etc. etc. So, students, these all 8 types of plans are very important to be understood so that we will be able to identify the terms asked in the objective type questions from these contents. So in the next video we will discuss with the next chapter. Till then, thank you.